Hi, I'm Oliver from Swytch, and I'm here to answer the question, does the Swytch e-bike kit work on a Brompton? The answer is yes. We offer a specialised motor wheel custom built for the narrow Brompton forks so that it's super easy to fit. The power pack can go in one of two places. One, on the handlebars, meaning that you can still use your luggage. And two, on our specialised luggage block adapter, meaning that you can leave it on when you fold. For more information on how the Brompton-specific version of the Swytch kit works, scroll down the page, or carry on watching for our 30-second teaser video of the crowdfunding campaign. This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike.
No, this is a Swytch bike.
All right, any bike can be a Swytch bike. You just need a Swytch kit. It's lightweight,
Handheld, fits to your handlebars, and boosts your ride with electric power. With Swytch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.